Go.
In, on.
Okay, very good.
Ban. Bansa.
Very good.
Kan. Kanya.
Good. Next.
Now,
Here.
this part now.
This part.
This part. A little part. Kin. Kin. It's a kin.
Yeah.
Am I scared? Kin.
Good job.
It's mine.
Oh, yeah,
It's
yeah.
akin.
Yeah,
Sa akin.
Oh, go. Next.
I fight with my sister when she got my dog, right?
Yeah. But that's not right. Go.
Nin. Nin. Yo.
Good job. Next.
Bo. Bon. Sabon. Sabon.
Good.
I rub my yarn. I rub my yarn.
Okay na, next.
Lon. Melon.
Good job.
Melon.
Next. Next.
Melon is so yummy. Basahin.
Again.
Basahin.
Basahin.
May melon sa kariton.
Very good.
Kariton.
Anong meron sa kariton? Anong meron sa kariton?
I don't know.
You read it already? O, anong meron sa kariton?
Mommy. Melon.
Okay, melon. Next, number 2. Move a little bit.
Maganda ang
Bakuran. Hindi bakuran. Bakuran. Okay, sige. Ne.
Palaran.
Paa. Paa. No. Tanggalin mo yung kamay mo.
Lan.
What is paaralan?
It's for the class. Teacher.
What is paaralan?
School.
Yes, school. O, next. Mabalitan din.
Number 3.
Number 3.
Bulak ang laman ng Unan.
Again yun.
Unan.
Okay.
Unan.
Ano yung laman ng unan? Ano yung laman ng unan?
Bulak. Bulak.
Okay, bulak. Good job. Number 4.
Anong bulak?
Cotton.
Just like stuffy things.
Yeah. O, ba little bit? Hindi makita mo, ba little bit?
Ang
Ulit.
no
Ulit.
ang
Anong bu?
ba on mama ko I have
Ano daw yung baon ko?
hamon.
Okay, good.
Anong hamon?
Ham.
Ham.
Number 5.
Okay. It's gonna be late. C. Li.
KK.
Lin.
No, say it, please.
Da. I. P. Pin. Sa. San. Ni. Ma.
Ni.
Ni. Min. Da.
Okay, Minda. Sino yung pinsan ni Minda? Si?
Linda.
Very good, Linda. Good job, ate.
Thank you for watching my video. Bye-bye.